Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your side rocker molding on your Honda Odyssey. To start out, we're going to crawl underneath the front portion of the rocker molding. And right here in the front there's a clip that needs to come out, and you can see that there's two grooves on either side. You just want to take a flathead screwdriver and get in behind there and work it out. Just go back and forth until the middle starts to pop out. And then when the middle starts coming out, you can just grab it by your hand and pull the clip out. And next, between the rocker and the front wheel, there's two Phillips screws that need to come out. You can use a stubby Phillips screwdriver to get between these and just turn the wheel in or out to get to these if you have to. I'm just going to be using a Phillips bit on a ratchet, and I can just get in between here and take these out with it. And then come around to the back side of the rocker and the rear wheel, and we're going to do the same thing. Both these Phillips screws need to come out. And then go ahead and open both doors. And then on the rear part of the rocker molding, I like to take the foot and put it against the tire for leverage. And then I take both hands and I'm going to grab a hold of the rocker. I'm going to pull it towards the front, and the whole thing's going to slide, and then it's going to pop off. And then after you slide it forward, pretty much the whole thing's loose. There is one clip that's still holding it after you slide it forward. It's going to be really hard to show you guys where it's at and then me taking it off at the same time, but it's right past the front here, inside, right there. You can see my fingers wiggling right there. There's that clip right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to come from the bottom with a screwdriver and work this clip out. Alright, and that's a clip. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get to this one. But same thing, just work your way around the clip, prying on it, and work your way out. And that's it, guys. Rocker's off. And when you go to put the rocker back on, these clips here, they're going to come out and go back onto the rocker. So to get these clips out, you just turn them 45 degrees and then just pull straight out on them. And then you can see the slots here where they get mounted, and you just want to go ahead and place them in there. And then the clips on the bottom here underneath are different, and I'm going to change the camera angle and I'll show you how to get these clips out and put them back onto the rocker. So these are clips on the bottom here. These are the ones that are a little bit different than the ones up top. These ones we just turn 45 to get them out. These ones we're going to have to actually pry in behind them. We don't want to pry between the two pieces. You'll see that it's going to be hard to see from this angle, but you want to go all the way against where the pinch weld is here. You want to go against the pinch weld and then pry on the back side of the clip and work the clip around the outside and work the clip out. And it pops it out, and you can see that there's this top piece and then this bottom piece. And sometimes when you get the clip out, it compresses the two, and we need a little bit larger gap to slide this back onto the rocker. So I'm going to take my flathead, and I'm just going to make the gap a little bit bigger by just wiggling it. So now it's bigger. I'm not prying hard or anything, because you can break this top piece. I'm just wiggling a little bit to make a bigger gap. And then these clips will slide onto the bottom of the rocker, and you just look at the thin part of the clip here, and then that slides in to the rocker like so, and you want to get it right there in the center, and you just want to go down and do that to all of the clips, get them off here, get them back onto your rocker, and then when you go to install your rocker will you'll just hold it up to the holes, and you'll just press it straight on, and it'll clip in. And keep an eye on these bottom clips before you go and try to press it on. You want to line all these top clips and then crawl underneath and check these bottom clips to make sure that they are all aligned, because it's easy to get one out of alignment and get it underneath where it's facing underneath. So you want to get all of them in the holes, get them all checked, make sure they're aligned, and then press it and clip it all in. And that's how you go ahead and put the rocker back on. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove the rocker. Thanks for watching.